How to log out of your Trust Wallet. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily log out of your Trust Wallet account. So let's just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Trust Wallet and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now what you need to do next is find your wallet at the top of your screen. Tap on your main wallet or whatever you've named it. Tap on the three dots. Now, before you delete your wallet or log out of your account, you need the 12-word security phrase in order to log back in. So make sure that you have that. If you want to view it, just go ahead and tap on your wallet on the three dots, and you can back up your phrases to your Google Drive if you want. And I've already done that so that you can recover it anytime you want. Then if you want to view your backup codes, you can just tap on this manual, and trust wallet does not have access to this key, and then make sure you check all of these boxes. Tap on continue and you'll find your 12-word secret phrase here. You guys might be seeing a black screen because of security reasons, and even if you try to take screenshot, it does not allow it. So you can manually type it in your phone's notepad, or you could just write it in a pen and paper. It's completely up to you. Once you have your phrases secured, you can just go back, and in order to log out, you can just tap on the delete wallet icon at the top right. Then just go ahead and tap on delete, and you should be logged out of your account. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.